When you're working with points or data that can be related linearly, oftentimes point-slope form of a linear equation will get you off to a great start with writing your equation. This form of a linear equation is known as point-slope form. The reason it's called point-slope form is because the x of 1, y sub 1 represents every point that satisfies this equation and makes it true, and m represents the slope. So we have a point and we have the slope. If you were wanting to write an equation of a line that passed through the point, let's say 62,000, and had a slope of negative 25, you would just sub in accordingly. The point 62,000 you would sub into the equation this way. The 60 would go in for the x of 1, and the 2,000 would go in for y sub 1, because 62,000 is just one of the points that would make this equation true. Slope, as always, is represented by the letter m, and in this case, m is negative 25. So we would sub in first the y sub 1, so you'd have y minus 2,000 equals then the slope of negative 25 times the quantity x minus, and then for x of 1 we sub in the 60, and there we have it. So this is a line that goes through the point 62,000 and would have a slope of negative 25. So it's all about subbing into the correct locations. Put your x coordinate here. Notice it's always subtracted. Put the y coordinate in this spot, and then the slope goes in for m.